Hello dear friends. We are glad to welcome you to our channel. Today in our video we will present you a review of the most stylish and fashionable women's haircut bob for all types of hair. Please watch the review to the end, and maybe you will find the most amazing haircut for yourself. The best short bob hairstyles to try because it's time for a chop. Trends come and go, but there's always something to be said for the short bob. Dress it up with fringe, texturize it with layers, or streamline it with blunt ends. It's a classic hairstyle with a lot of wiggle room. Whether you're currently rocking a long bob or waist-long locks, these short bob haircuts will freshen your look by taking it up a few, or more, inches. Read on for the best short bob hairstyles that cover every hair whim, from angled to shaggy, and have us fully ready to make the big chop. Bring in these inspiration shots and your stylists won't think you're crazy for asking. Bobs for all. Big Southern Bob. We like our hair pumped up to the sky, and a short length haircut that's packed with layers will definitely do the trick. Angled Bob. Why go all one length when you can make it even more exciting with an angled cut? Ask for a shorter length in the back and longer in the front, without stacking the back layers too much. Angled Transition. If you're on the fence about making the big chop, this angled approach gives you the best of both worlds with its short, stacked backside and longer face framing front. Blunt Ombre Bob. Thick hair can make an even bigger statement with a blunt cut that hits just below the chin. Feel free to add face framing layers. Slightly Stacked Bob. To get extra volume on the back side of your hair, ask for slightly stacked layers. It transforms any super flat bob instantly. Glass Hair. Glass hair, the trend that never goes out of style, is all about razor-sharp edges and insane shine. It skims those cheekbones like nobody's business. Soft Retro Bob. Go back a few decades, or more than a few, with this 1920s inspired bob that has us ready to go to the speakeasy. Dear friends, when creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. Thank you for you subscribing to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.